If you want to learn how to use tags and segments to personalize emails in under 3 minutes, you're in the right place. Most people either overcomplicate this or overlook it completely. But done right, it can double your open rates and drive way more clicks. I've tested the most popular email marketing platforms, and in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use tags and segments the smart way, without wasting time. Stick around because I'll also show you a few common mistakes to avoid, and I've included an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend in the description, only for viewers of my channel. Let's jump in. First, what are tags and segments? Tags are labels you apply to your contacts to track behavior, preferences, or actions, like webinar attendee, clicked link, or VIP customer. Segments are groups of people who meet certain criteria, which often includes tags, location, sign-up source, or even email activity. To personalize your emails, start by tagging subscribers based on how they interact with you. For example, if someone downloads a specific lead magnet, tag them with the name of that lead magnet. If they click a product link, tag them with that product name. These tags tell you what they care about. Then, create segments based on these tags. You can build a segment like people who downloaded Guide A but haven't bought Product A. That segment is gold for sending targeted follow-ups. Instead of blasting everyone, you're now speaking directly to a specific group with a specific interest. Inside the software we'll be using, go to your contacts or audience dashboard. Select a contact, then apply a tag manually or set up an automation to do it for you. Automations are where the magic happens. If someone joins from a specific form, clicks a certain link, or visits a page, the software automatically tags them. To create a segment, go to the segmentation tab, select your criteria like hashtag webinar attendee and did not open last email, and save it. Now, you can send a personalized campaign just to that segment. Want to re-engage gold subscribers? Build a segment of inactive 30+ days and speak to that directly. The key here is to use both tags and segments together. Tags give you the raw data and segments let you act on it. This is where personalization kicks in. You're no longer guessing what your audience wants. One quick tip, avoid over-tagging. Too many tags can clutter your list and confuse your logic. Stick to meaningful tags tied to actions or attributes that actually help you personalize. All right, here's the key takeaway. Personalization isn't just about using someone's name, it's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. Tags and segments make that possible. Let's recap. Tags, tasks labels based on actions or behavior. Segments, filtered groups based on tags and data. Use automation to apply tags. Build smart segments to send targeted emails. Avoid over-tagging, keep it clean and useful. And don't forget, if you want to try this out for yourself, there's an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend in the description. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so make sure to grab it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.